Hello and welcome to day 27 of Hack 27. This is Handsome Mikey Boyki. Today's hack is a pretty basic one. So we all carry stuff that we don't necessarily want to find a special place for. So I have these things over here. If you want to scroll around, you can see here, this is my buffs that I put on my head when I'm cold. I also have these other ones that I put on my arm as a sleeve because when you drive a Defender, that's kind of one of the problems that we have. But because your right arm just gets completely sunburnt and it's like it's always in a microwave. But the reason is that I keep them on here because this is a dead space and I don't have to worry about having to find another place to put them, which just adds a lot of extra clutter. So I must double check what quarantine day hack this is. I think it's 26, could be 27. It's now just becoming a blur. So there'll be two of these, one on here and one for Instagram.